This is 3201 Larry Nolan Road. It's located in Cottondale, just off Highway 11, right before the interstate. It does sit back in the woods. It's a peaceful, quiet setting. There's a older storage building. The condition is not in great shape, but it is there. So you can see you're out in the middle of the woods. You should see the drive in. There's actually kind of a circular driveway set up that I'll show you. This house is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath. You can enter on the ground floor, and then you can also walk around to the back as well. So you see the driveway comes around to this kind of drive-through garage setup, and then back out to the main drive-in. So there's a door in the middle there, but there's not really a sidewalk to it. It's there, you could use it if you wanted to, but the best way in is probably this side door here, or you can go around the back, up those steps right there, and come into the living room. So for this video, we'll walk up the back and we'll check that out, but this is also a good entrance you can go in. We'll go ahead and check out the backyard or back area. So as you see coming around, it's not too bad. There's a back deck here, perfect for grilling and things like that. So this is off of the living room. So as you can see, lots of trees, lots of woods. So we'll head on inside and check it out. All right, as we come in the back door, we come into the living room area. There's a wood stove. Vaulted ceiling, ceramic tile and laminate in the living room. There is a spiral staircase to get downstairs. There is a gate on it, so you can close it and latch it if you're worried about children or pets. Come to the kitchen as well. But a good sized living room. Lots of big windows, lots of natural light and views out into the woods. Again, the spiral staircase. The dining room area, again with big windows, vaulted ceiling. The appliances you see in the kitchen here are included. Good bit of cabinet space, kind of built-in pantry there next to the built-in oven. All right, we'll go check out the bedrooms. Now, this house is a little bit older. It has not been updated, but it is in good condition. So as we come down the hallway, bathroom, the main bathroom on our right. We'll come back and check out. Have a bedroom on the left. We'll come back and check out the laundry room. Straight ahead we have a linen closet, another bedroom. We'll start with the master bedroom. So again, as you'll see throughout the house, there's a lot of good big windows, a lot of natural light. The closet for the master's there. It does have laminate hardwoods in the bedrooms, which is nice. Again, kind of a neat view. All right, and the master has a half bath. Does not have a full bath, but just a half bath. That's just a small closet there. All right, we'll head to the second bedroom. So again, the hallway we just came down. Second bedroom. This is on the back of the house, so not as much of a view. Got a double closet there. In the master we started with. Come back in the hallway. So this is the laundry room. It is off the hallway, but it's a good sized laundry room. Shelves. It does have a sliding like bifold door set up. Alright, we'll go into the third bedroom. Still pretty good size, you know, again with the laminate. Alright, and then back to the main bathroom. It's a good size, pretty nice bathroom. So a good size vanity. You have some drawers and some cabinets. Next to it you also have more cabinet and shelf space. And then you have a walk-in shower with a built-in bench seat. So this house does not have a bathtub, but it does have a shower. Alright, and we will head downstairs to check out the rest of the house. As we come down the stairs, we come into like a foyer type area. This is that door on the very front and middle of the house. Again, there's not really a sidewalk or anything out in front of it, but it is here if you needed it. We'll check out the fourth bedroom. It is by far the smallest. So there's a double closet there. Nice big windows. See, it's not very large, so I mean it would be maybe like a nursery or an office. You could put a twin bed in it, but anything bigger than that would probably be kind of difficult. And again, back into that foyer. Stairs down. And so this is a pretty neat workroom or playroom. Got some closet storage there. And you got like built-in desks. You get two different ones. The old potbelly stove or potbelly, I guess, a fireplace deal. And then lots of book storage or bookshelves. This floor is actually, I believe, painted concrete. So pretty durable. So again, this is Larry Nolan Road, offered for lease by Druid City Properties. If you want more information, you can visit our website at TuscaloosaPropertyManagement.com.